Volcanoes create new land through a process called accretion. When magma from beneath the Earth's surface erupts as lava, it cools and solidifies, adding new material to the Earth's surface. Over time, repeated eruptions can build up layers of lava, ash, and other volcanic materials, forming new land. For example, the Hawaiian Islands were formed by volcanic activity, with each island growing larger as more lava cooled and solidified. This process can also create new landforms, such as volcanic cones and islands, like Surtsey off Iceland's coast.